Congratulations to each one of you who have been qualified to be present to the final round of Spell Bee. So coming to this finale, we are going to pass through 3 rounds. In our first round, you will be given 2 words to spell. You clear the 2 words, you move to round 2. In case you get 1 right and 1 wrong, you will be going to a next round, that is the tiebreaker round. In case, in the worst case scenario, if you're not able to get both the words right, you will be eliminated in round 1. And we move on to round 2, which is a single word elimination round. We just give you 1 word to crack it, and you are able to spell it. We move to round 3. So round 3 is a rapid fire round where you get 60 seconds to crack the spellings of 5 words, and it's a timed round. As I'm going to move to round 3, I'm once again going to retry the same rules. Can we all move on to the finale? All right? Any doubts? Thank you. All the best.
Rani just told you all the words, the whole rule setup, and I hope you all have understood it. But as we move from one round to another, you'll get to know what we're actually saying. Okay? So let's begin then.
Start. So I call upon the first contestant, Samhit Vanam from Scholars International School, Hyderabad.
Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Your first word is custard.
Could you repeat the word?
Custard.
Meaning?
It's a dessert or a sweet sauce made with milk and eggs, or, some kind of a proprietary powder.
C-U-S-T-A-R-D.
Correct! And your second word is disease. Listen very carefully. Disease.
Meaning?
A person's death.
D-E-C-E-A-S-E.
Yee-hoo! You made it. You got 2 correct words. And you made it directly to the second round. So congratulations.
Now I request contestant number 2, it's Ram Krishna Reddy from Trips International School, Rajahmundry.
Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Ready? Your first word is dilemma.
D-I-L-E-M-M-A.
Perfect. Correct. Your second word, exorcise.
E-X-O-R-C-I-S-E.
Oh, yes. Brilliant. You just made yourself room in the second round.
So now I call upon my third contestant, it's Arabeli Lakshmi Pranati Rao from Chirek School.
Your first word is expertise.
E-X-P-E-T-E-C-E.
You got it wrong. It's E-X-P-E-R-T-I-S-E. All right? Are you ready for the second word?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. That's gorgeous.
G-O-R-I-O-U-S.
So sorry. It's G-O-R-G-E-O-U-S. Gorgeous. Right? Thank you so much.
Now I call upon my fourth contestant, that's Rohit Sai from Samvidha Vidyapit, Koranki, Vijayawada.
Ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Your first word is icicle.
B-Y-C-I-C.
You didn't hear me, but you already pronounced, so it's an incorrect spelling. So I'll give you your second word now. That's patriot.
P-E-T-R-I-E-T.
Sorry, it was P-A-T-R-I-O-T.
So and I request my fifth contestant, that's Arnav Roy Chaudhary from Oak Ridge International.
Your first word is innocence.
I-N-N-O-C-E-N-C-E.
Very good. You almost thought you lost it with the S's and the C's. Your second word is allegation.
A-L-L-I-G-A-T-I-O-N.
You missed it by a letter. It's A-L-L-E. You said I. All right?
I would now request contestant number 6, it's Arlapalli Ashrita.
Ready?
Yes,
Set,
miss.
go. And your first word is barrier.
B-A-R-R-I-E-R.
Perfect. You got it on the dot. Your second word is Cruise.
Cruise.
Oh, there you are, winner of the first round. You get to a direct entry into the second round. Congratulations, very well done.
Thank you, Miss.
So now I invite contestant number 7, that's Sri Sankeet Rupala from TIPS International School, Rajahmundry.
Okay, your first word is boomerang.
Boomerang.
Very well done, thank you. And your second word is enclave.
Enclave.
Perfect, you moved yourself to the second round.
So now I invite my 8th contestant, it's Arjun Raghav from Chirek International School.
Your first word is flannel.
Flannel.
Very good. Your second word is gauze.
Gauze.
Yes, you were right. You've gone into the second round.
Now I have contestant number 9, this is Indrahas Koranki from Sanskriti School, Hyderabad.
Ready? Yes, and your first word is solemn.
Solemn.
Perfect. And your second word is quirk.
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 Quark.
Sorry, you got that wrong. It's Quirk.
Thank you, Indrahas. So now I request contestant number 10, I have Sunaina Yashasvi from Little Brain School, Vijayawada.
Your first word is apprentice.
Could you please repeat the word?
I will. Apprentice.
Could you please tell the meaning?
A person who is learning a trade from a skilled employer and having agreed to work for a fixed period for low wages.
APPRINTICE.
You got one letter wrong. It's APPREN. Anyway, you have another word. Your second word is commentary.
Could you please repeat the word?
Commentary.
Could you please tell the meaning?
Yes, it is an expression of opinions or offering of explanations about an event or a situation.
Commentary.
Very good. You got one word right, meaning you'll take a tiebreaker word when we call you back again. Thank you.
Thank you, Sunaina. I have my 11th contestant, Laukya Sadika from HPS Kadapa.
Your word is exhaust.
EXHAUST.
Very good. Your next word is complacency.
COMPLICENCY.
You got one letter wrong there. It's COMPLA. You said PLI. Thank you very much.
And now I call upon our 12th contestant, that's Sai Shri from Bharti Vidyaban, Hyderabad.
Your first word is hygiene.
HYGIENE.
Correct. You almost hesitated there. So well done with that first word. Your second word is mallet.
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 Could you please give me the meaning?
I'll give you, it is a hammer with a large, usually wooden head. It is a tool.
MALLIT.
So it's an MALLET.
Contestant number 13, that's Jairesh Safas from Scholars International School, Hyderabad.
I read out your first word. It's scarlet.
SCARLET.
Correct. Very well done. Your second word is midget.
MIDGET.
Correct. You got two correct words.
I now call upon contestant number 14, V. Dhanwan from VVIT.
Ready?
Yes.
Your first word is talc.
PALC.
Perfect. Thank you. The second word is bankrupt.
BANKRUPT.
Correct. You've just gone into the second round directly.
Contestant number 15, Kranti from Rainbow School, Nellore.
Your first word is anxiety.
ANXIETY.
Easy peasy. That was so simple, huh? Yes. You got it so well. Next word is catalog.
CATALOGUE.
Perfect. Very well done. You got yourself a place in the second round.
The last contestant for round one, that's Atharva Mishra from Kennedy High Global School, Hyderabad.
Ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. And your first word is coleslaw.
Coleslaw.
Oh, perfect. On the dot. And your second word is mirth.
MIRTH.
There you are. Just slipped out of his mouth. No effort. Congratulations. You got yourself a place in the second round. And very well done. Thank you.
Thank you.
So we are going to move on to round one, the tiebreaker round, where I'm going to call upon the contestants who did have one word wrong, and we will be going in for a single word elimination. So I request contestant number 5, Arav Roy Chaudhary from Oak Ridge International.
Ready? It's just a single word. All right? And your word is pavilion.
PAVILLION.
So it's a PAVILION.
So now I have contestant number 9, that's Indrahas Koranki.
Ready? And your one word is recognition.
RECOGNITION.
Very good. You got it right?
Right.
Meaning you're going into the second round.
Contestant number 10, Sunaina Yashaswi.
Yes, Sunaina, you ready?
Yes.
And your word from me is peruse.
PERUCE.
Oh, you got one letter wrong. It's PERUSE. You said CE.
Thank you, Sunaina. I now call upon contestant number 11, that's Laukya Sadika.
Yes, Laukia, ready? And
Yes.
your word, single word, is acoustic.
ACOUSTIC.
Correct. You got yourself a place in the second round.
The final contestant for tie-break session, this is Sai Shri from Bharti Vidya Bounds, Hyderabad.
Your word is pilfer.
TILPHER.
I'm sorry, you got it wrong. It's not a PH, it's just a direct F. Okay? So pilfer. Thank you.
So congratulations to everyone who has participated in round one and the tiebreaker session. Now we are going to proceed to round two. Round two, you'll be called upon for a single word elimination round, right? So here we are going to start with contestant number 1, that's Samhit Vanam.
Your word is adversary.
ADVERSARY.
Correct. Thank you very much. That means you've gone to the
Round
third round. Well
Congratulations. Contestant number 2, Ramakrishna Reddy.
done. And your word is biennial.
BIENNIAL.
Easy peasy. Yes, you got it right. You made it to the third round. Congratulations.
Contestant number 6, it's Arlapalli Ashrita.
Your word is deluxe.
DELUX.
Okay, you got it wrong. You missed the letter E that comes with DELUXE. Okay?
Contestant number 7, and this is Sri Saket Ropala.
Your word is arrears.
ARREARS.
Very good. Yes, thank you.
8th contestant, it's Arjun Raghav from Chirek International School.
Your word is extinguish.
EXTINGUISH.
Very good. You've directly gone to the third round. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Contestant number 9, Indrahas Koranki.
And your word is finery.
FINERY.
Very good.
Sweet.
You made it to the third round.
11th contestant, Laukya Sadika from HPS Kadapa.
Your word would be monarch.
MONARCH.
Correct. We probably have to do a
That was a
tiebreaker
little
before we go in for the
I
final.
think.
Thank you.
Contestant number 13, Jairesh Sabhas, Scholars International.
Okay. Your word is perspire.
PERSPIRE.
Correct. Very well done.
Sorry, contestant number 14, it's Dhanwan.
Okay.
Yes.
Stampede.
Stampede.
Correct.
Contestant number 15, that's Kranti.
Your word is exceed.
EXCEED.
That's why I tell you to ask me and listen carefully. I said
One you
exceed.
missed.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? So you got it wrong. It's ACCEDE. Right? Sorry.
So now I call upon the final contestant for round 2. I have Athar Mishra from Kennedy High, the global school.
Your word is plummet.
PERMIT.
See, I told you, don't hurry. You got it wrong. It's PLUMMET. Right? So sorry even for you, the journey ends here. Congratulations, you've done very well until now. Thank you.
That was a good try from every contestant who is present here. I think you all have given us a tough competition. We didn't anticipate this result. In fact, parents, we are very frank with you all. We didn't anticipate this tough competition in front of us. We anticipated for round 3, I might be having something around 3 or 4, and with which we can go for the rapid fire. Since I have around 8 of them qualified for round 3, I'm now going to introduce another single word elimination.
Don't worry, be wary. Don't worry, be wary.
I call upon contestant number 1. I have Samhit Vanam.
Ready?
Yeah.
So your single word tiebreaker to push you into the final round or the rapid fire round is chide.
CHIDE.
Correct. You just made it. Now there's every possibility that all 8 of them will get this also,
Yes.
right? Then we'll come up with another rule. Okay?
Contestant number 2, Ramkrishna Reddy.
Ready? And your word is easel.
EASEL.
Oh dear, they don't even ask
Oh,
for
this
us
is going to repeat
it
itself.
again.
Thank you very much. You got it correct.
I go for contestant number 7. It's Sri Saket Rupala.
Ready?
Yes, ma'am.
And your word is egotism.
EGOTISM.
Yeah.
Yes, you've done it.
8th contestant, it's Arjun Raghav from Chirek International School.
Yes, your word is gaunt.
GAUNT.
Very good. You got it correct.
Thank you,
Very well
Arjun.
done.
Thank you.
Contestant number 9, Indrahas Koranki.
And your word is hideous.
HIDEOUS.
Very good. You got it
Perfect.
right. Congratulations.
Contestant number 11, it's Laukia.
Your word is petite.
PETITE.
Oh, very good. Congratulations. You got it right.
Contestant number 13, Jairesh Sabhas, Scholars International.
If you're ready, your word is adieu.
ADOO.
Sorry, you got it wrong. It's a goodbye. So it's adieu. ADIEU.
Contestant number 14, it's Dhanwan.
And your word is debris.
DEBRIS.
Very good. Correct. You're absolutely right.
So we are going in for another tiebreaker round because we did get in 7 contestants moving to round 3. It's going to become a little tedious. So we go in for a tiebreaker round and we continue with that till I get around 4 or 5 max. All right? So I call upon now contestant number 1, Samhit.
Ready? And
Yes,
your
ma'am.
word is stooge.
STUGE.
I'm sorry you got it wrong. It's STOOGE. So that brings you to the end of this journey in the competition.
So now I have contestant number 2, that's Ramkrishna Reddy.
Yes, and your word is courier.
COURIER.
Yes, you're right.
I go for contestant number 7. It's Sri Saket Rupala.
Your word is nominee.
NOMINEE.
Yes, you're right.
It was so quick. 8th contestant, it's Arjun Raghav from Chirek International School.
Okay, and
Alright.
your word is embarrass.
EMBARRASS.
Perfect, thank you.
Contestant number 9, Indrahas Koranki.
And your word is whimper.
Whimper. WHOOPER.
Sorry, you spelled whooper. I said whimper. So you got it wrong. It's a WHIMPER. Thank you.
Contestant number 11, it's Laukia.
Ready?
Yes.
Your word is shears.
SHEARS.
Very good. You got it right.
Contestant number 14, it's Dhanwan.
Okay, ready?
All right.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. And your word is flautist.
FLAUTIST.
Correct.
I have 5 contestants moving on to rapid fire, an eagerly awaited round where you have 60 seconds to crack 5 words. So please be patient enough to listen to the B Master and then do crack on the spellings. So I call upon contestant number 2, Ramkrishna Reddy.
Ready? And your first word is rookie.
ROOKIE.
Correct. Shriek.
SHRIEK.
Correct. Sweet.
SUITE.
Repeat.
Ma'am, could you repeat the meaning?
Yes. It is a set of rooms designated for one person or family.
SUITE.
Very good. Correct. Diligent.
DILIGENT.
Correct. Gauge.
GUAGE.
Thank you. You got all your 5 words right.
I go for contestant number 7, it's Sri Saket Rupala.
Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Now you seem extremely ready for it. Your first word as the timer begins is beseech.
BESEECH.
Correct. Disposition.
DISPOSITION.
Correct. Mongoose.
MONGOOSE.
Correct. Tedious.
Ma'am, can you repeat?
Tedious.
TEDIOUS.
Correct. Plague.
PLAGV.
Correct. Thank you. Very well done. Expect a long battle again.
8th contestant, it's Arjun Raghav from Chirek International School.
As your timer begins with the first word I announce, nestle.
NESSLE.
Incorrect. Siege.
SEIGE.
Correct. Canoe.
CONOO.
Incorrect. Erroneous.
Excuse me?
Erroneous.
IRONIOUS.
Incorrect. Rugged.
RUGGED.
Thank you.
Thank you, Arjun. That was 2 out of 5, dear. Contestant number 11, it's Laukia.
Ready? As the timer and my first word is announced, vigilance.
VIGILANCE.
Correct. Amateur.
AMATEUR.
Correct. Cursor.
CURSOR.
Correct. Resilient.
RESILIENT.
Correct. Flaunt.
FLAUNT.
Correct.
Contestant number 14, it's Dhanwan.
Ready? With your timer marked, your first word is grapple.
Can I have the definition?
Engage in a close fight or struggle without weapons. Wrestle.
GRAPPLE.
Correct. Immense.
IMMENSE.
Correct. Insinuate.
INSINUATE.
Correct. Intrigue.
INTRIGUE.
Correct. Jasmine.
JASMINE.
Oh, correct. Very well done. So
Amazing,
here we are.
amazing.
More tiebreakers in the
All right.
Thank
the
you.
offing. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Please sit down till we make a discussion and
This
decide
is,
what's next.
This category is little tough. Even we feel it. You fully charged with a lot of competitive spirit in you, and you are sharing it with all of us. And every round, we are revising our own rules and our own categories. So now we have induced contestant number 7 and contestant number 14. You will be given another single word elimination round tiebreaker opportunity, and one of you, whoever gets through that, will be going for the additional rapid fire round. I go for contestant number 7. It's Sri Saket Rupala.
Your word is blimp.
BLIMP.
Correct? Thank you.
Contestant number 14, it's Dhanwan.
And your word is equitable.
EQUITABLE.
Correct.
Tell me that. So I need to go in for an extension
We'll do
of
it
the
again.
tiebreaker. We are going to call upon contestant number 7.
Ready?
Yes, ma'am.
And your word is insertion.
INSERTION.
Very good.
Yes.
And your word is mustache.
MOUSTACHE.
Correct.
Perfect.
Your word is triumph.
TRIUMPH.
Very good. You take hilarious.
HILARIOUS.
Yeah, you can laugh at me. Hilarious. Correct. Your word is petrified.
PETRIFY.
Correct. Your word is quench.
QUENCH.
Very good. Correct. Your word is scroll.
Ma'am, can you repeat?
Scroll.
SCROLL.
Very good. Your word would be swoop.
SWOOP.
Yes, so simple. Your word is affluent.
AFFLUENT.
Very good. And your word is bulletin.
BULLETIN.
Correct. Your word would be cushy.
CUSHY.
Very good. You try campaign.
CAMPAIGN.
Yeah, that face you gave me, like, oh, damn.
Yes, you're still harassing
All
me.
right, all right. Right, your word is pierce.
PEARS.
You got it wrong. It's PIERCE. And your word is rugged.
Can I have the definition?
No, we're not in this round. It's only going to be the sound of the word.
Okay. RAGGED.
Come again.
RAGGED.
Sorry, you two got it wrong. It's RUGGED.
I again call for the extension of the
Oh,
round.
no, no,
So
no.
yes, we go for
All right,
repeat.
let's do it. Let's do it.
So we are going in for another rapid round session where you are going to get 15 seconds to crack 3 words. Okay, it's a timed one.
Your time starts now, and your first word is exaggerate.
EXAGGERATE.
Correct. Futon.
FUTON.
Correct. Galactic.
GLSETIC.
Very good. Thank you. Starting with the first word I announced, gullible.
GULLIBLE.
Holster.
HOLSTER.
Hypocrisy.
HYPOCRISY.
Correct. Okay, beginning now. Nauseous.
NAUSEOUS.
Correct. Pedagogue.
PEDAGOGUE.
Correct. Personnel.
PERSONNEL.
Correct. Posse.
POSSE.
Correct. Prodigy.
PRODIGY.
Correct. Ready? Your timer is marked. I begin. Rappel.
RAPPEL.
Correct. Ratchet.
RATCHET.
Correct. Spartan.
SPARTON.
Sphinx.
SPHINX.
Correct. Succinct.
SUCCINCT.
Correct.
We had to review our decision because there was a word which had been wrongly spelled by Dhanwan. The word what you have pronounced as Spartan is spelled wrongly, dear. So I'm really sorry that we had to close this round at this point. And I appreciate audience who did bring this to our notice.
Allowing us to
that
review
was
it.
of great help.
Thank you.
And so now I have contestant number 7 who is having a secured place. That's your third place or the third position in this round. The bronze medal is secured for you. And now we are going to again have the tiebreaker session, which is again going to be
For the gold and the
for
silver.
the gold and the silver, which is again a timed one. So I now call upon contestant number 2. It's timed 15 seconds and 5 words to crack.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, starting as I announce the first word. Governess.
Governess.
Correct. Gymkhana.
Gymcana.
Incorrect. Idolatry.
Idoletry.
Incorrect. Isthmus.
Isthmus.
Correct.
It's 2 right and 2 wrong. Actually, he didn't go for the 5th one. It's 2 right and 2 wrong. So we are going for the next contestant. This is Laukya.
You've done very well until now, so let's give it your best shot. And your word starts now. Rhythm.
RHYTHM.
Right. Solitaire.
SOLITAIRE.
Correct. Soothsayer.
SOOTHSAYER.
Correct. Subterranean.
So we have Laukya as the winner for gold.
Yay! Give her a big
And
hand.
We definitely
Laukya
have
takes the golden spot.
Ramakrishna Reddy going in for silver, and definitely we have Sri Saket Rupala for the bronze.
Right. Very
think-
well done. Very well done.
So I would request now Mr. Shashank, representing TRIPS International School Rajahmundry, to come onto the dais to give away the medals to all the participants. And I would also request Susan and Ms. Rani. We would announce bronze first, Sri Saket Uppala, third winner, 3,000 rupees cash prize with gift hamper from Dukes. And silver medal goes to Nallimilli Ramakrishna Reddy, 5,000 rupees cash prize, a gift hamper from Dukes. Time for the applause. We should give the resound now. For Laukya, a gold winner, 8,000 rupees cash prize, the gift hamper from Dukes.